On a campus where construction and students often meet but don't necessarily want to, an unlikely figure is bridging the gap from around 300 feet up.
For lack of a better word, it's majestic in a way.
The machinery on the south part of campus has become more than a fixture of construction. In recent weeks, the crane has been both lifting materials and spirits.
The crane is like that, it's like seeing a really tall person in public. Like you can't help but stare.
Talk about the towering tool has gone beyond campus and spread to social media. Dozens of posts have personified the piece of equipment. One user asking if the crane ever gets lonely up there. Another person saying they feel bad for leaving the crane behind over break. And on Instagram, someone has even created an account for the crane with more than 150 people already following. So while the crane builds somewhat of a community, it's really here to help build UK's newest health education building, which will be the largest academic building on campus.
I didn't realize how much attention it would get, but it's quite the sight. I think you can see it from pretty much a lot of Lexington.
UK's capital construction manager Keith Ingram welcomes the attention and says the crane plays a crucial role in the project.
The amount of weight that it can support in the area that it will serve, it had to be pretty substantial in order to support moving things up and down to the building.
Ingram also says another crane will go up in about a month. The bad news is they'll both be gone around the end of 2025, so students will eventually have to say their goodbyes. I'm Edward Smith for the Kentucky Kernel.